Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to make money selling Canva templates in 2025. Now, Canva allows creators like you to design, share, and sell the editable templates for business, social media, and more. So, let's go through how you can start and earn from it. So, first of all, you need to come here on canva.com. Then, you need to set up your free account here on Canva. Once you have done that, here on the home page you will see a bunch of different tabs. So these are basically the niches. So you need to start by picking a specific template niche that you want to basically sell. It can be anything. It can be your social media post, ebook planner, resume, or invitation card. So let's say you are interested in selling resumes. So you can just simply use the search bar here on the top, and when you type resumes over here, you are going to see a bunch of different resume templates. So you can click on any of the templates in which you are interested. After that, click on the option of customize this template. So over here you can add the details of the person whom you want to sell this resume. So once you have added all those details, you can download it in the form of png. So click on the option of share in the top right hand corner, then click on the option of download. Over here the suggested format would be PDF, so you just have to download this particular PDF here in your device. After that, in order to sell it, you can either sell it on Etsy, or you can sell it on Gumroad, or even on your own website. So here, let's say you are interested in selling it on Gumroad. So you can come here on Gumroad and set up your free account. After that, you can upload this PDF file over here in your dashboard, then set up the price that can range between $5 to $25 depending on the quality and the bundle size. After that, you can just get the link from here and you can share that link on your social media platforms. So this way you will be able to start making money selling the Canva templates in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.